So, how to access agenda mode in Bandster. So, most people will use Bandster from within the calendar. We'll come here to the band calendar. You can see some events here, some unavailable dates blacked off here, personal and gigs. So you're in the band and you want to see the agenda. You simply click on the little house icon, which is effectively the agenda. You come here and you can see everything in agenda mode for this particular band. You want to check out the other band. There you go, that's just got one event in. And if you want to check out an agenda of all your bands combined plus all of your private events, you simply come to your personal app here, and there it has. So you can switch between calendar view and agenda view, and that's the view for all of your, the agenda view for all of your events. That's it. Okay.